Welcome to Attack. In this video I will tell you that how you can find saved pictures, posts, videos and reels on Instagram. If you are new to my YouTube channel, subscribe my channel for tech related updates. So let's get started. First of all, I will save a picture and a video. Then I will tell you that how you can find it. So after saving videos and pictures, click on profile icon. And here you can find three lines on top right corner. Now move to saved option. And here you can find all posts. So click it and you can see that reels, videos and pictures are here. So in this way you can find your saved post and videos on Instagram. If you like the video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.